And joining us right now to talk about that and so much more, Galaxy founder and CEO Mike Novogratz. We're closing in, as we said, 100. When does that happen, sir?
You know, today, tomorrow, it feels almost inevitable at this point. You know, when markets get close to targets, they hit them. Listen, what I think listeners have to understand is when Donald Trump got elected, there was a paradigm change. And we have a hard time trading paradigm changes. What I mean by that is 4 years with a really harsh regulatory and political climate for people in this industry, and now wide open. The entire cabinet almost owns Bitcoin and is proponents of digital assets. I mean, Kennedy said his whole net worth is in Bitcoin. So the people around that table are very pro this space. They're pro innovation, they're pro digital assets, they're pro Bitcoin. And I think the rest of the world has to take notice, and we're seeing it. We're seeing it with buying from the Mideast. Right now, there seems to be an almost inexhaustible demand from the public equity markets. You look at MicroStrategy, what Michael Saylor's doing, and that's the real big buyer of crypto right now. People funding in the equities, using those monies to buy Bitcoin. But you know, normally you hit 100, you bounce off of it. I would not be surprised if, you know, we go much higher. We're in price discovery. There's not a lot of supply. There had been a giant seller for the last week between 92, 93, and 94, probably $14-15 billion of Bitcoin sold there. I know because we saw the buying, not us personally, but the U.S. market.
But Mike, so as a trader, though, if you're just trying to trade this, as you know so well, there are times when it blows through whatever you think the target is, and 100, you're saying now maybe it blows through that. There's also been these sort of remarkable retrenchments where, you know, it retraces 50%.
Yeah, listen, there's a ton of leverage. I don't think it'll retrace 50%. I am very confident we don't go back below 80. Very confident, right? That's kind of where we took off for 76, 77. You know, pre-election, that election move. It would be shocking to me if we went back. But listen, there's a ton of leverage in the system right now. You look at these 3 times levered, you know, MicroStrategy ETFs, 2-time levered. You look at the funding rates to do crypto in our market, right? The perpetual market, right, as high as they've been. The basis is high. And so the crypto community is levered to the gilts. And so there will be a correction.
Well, so let's just speak to that, though, because, you know, every time you say the word leverage, I think those who are risk managers, it's like a red flag. They hear that and it's like a bell goes off. Leverage in the system. And here we are talking about 2 and 3 times leverage. I don't know if you think that's too much leverage, but how would, if that were to quote unquote break, how would that manifest itself? Well,
listen, I mean, you know, the Bitcoin's a 50, 60 vol asset. And why do you need any leverage on it? But people have leverage on it, right? MicroStrategy's 100+ vol stock. And to double leverage that, you know, seems like you're asking for trouble at one point. And so there will be some sharp corrections, certainly in the stocks that are more levered than the you know, the underlying commodity itself. Right. By definition, there has to be. You don't know where it comes from.